everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the amazing and dedicated team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And it looks like NREL, the National Renewable Energy Labratory, has come out with a process to make solar permits rather instant. So this is something that you're going to go online, you're going to fill out a permit, and it's going to be all set once all the check marks are approved. I'd love to be excited about this. I really would. However, we happen to operate in a state that will never adapt to this. Massachusetts is one of the first states that did require both a building permit and an electrical permit. And a lot of other states are now following suit. Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, these states around here, they have their own processes, and sometimes it takes the federal government threatening them to make changes before they actually do. So I don't see this happening anytime in most New England states. I hope I'm wrong. However, for those of you in the rest of the country where the states will adapt this, the counties, the townships, what have you, it looks like you're about to get a pretty good speed increase from delivery, right? So from your contract to glass on roof time could be shortened anywhere between one week to up to a month. That's always progress. I love that. I hope it happens soon for everybody, even those of us included in the states where we love redundancy, we love bureaucracy, and we love too much paperwork. So, from all of us here at Solar Wolf Energy, thanks for watching that episode of Uncensored Solar TV.